Hey everyone, it's Sigh here. Today we're going to do a split Chermoula chicken with coriander yogurt. It's Moroccan and I love Moroccan roll. So to start, we're going to make our Chermoula paste, which is going to be the marinade for our butterflied chicken. So to start off our marinade, we've got 1 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper, 2 teaspoons sea salt, 2 teaspoons paprika, 2 teaspoons of cumin, 3 chopped garlic cloves, 1 large red chilli, 3 juiced lemons with the rind, although preserved lemons are great as well, 1/4 cup of olive oil, a cup of fresh coriander, and a cup of fresh parsley leaves. So now our marinade's done. What we're going to do now is butterfly or spatchcock our chicken. You can buy them pre-butterflied, but we've chosen to do it ourselves. So what we're going to do now is flip our chicken over so the spine and the head are facing us. We're going to run our scissors down the side of the spine, pull the spine out, open the chicken, break open the chicken, slice alongside the breastbone, and then remove the breastbone also, giving us a beautiful butterfly chicken. So now we've got our chicken split. I'm just going to pull away some of the skin near the legs and the breast, and when we marinate it, we're going to stuff some marinade up inside there so that there's actual flesh contact. So we're just going to let our chicken marinate now. We're going to put it in the fridge for at least an hour. Half a day or overnight's ideal because it's just going to help amplify those flavours. So now that our chicken's finished marinating, we're going to put it in the Weber SmokeFire, skin side up, indirect cooking at 450 degrees Fahrenheit for around an hour. So while our chicken's cooking away, we're going to get started on our coriander yogurt. Now don't be scared of coriander, you're a grown-up. So we're going to finally chop a good handful of fresh coriander leaves, then we're going to add it to 200 grams of natural yogurt, the juice of a whole lemon, a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of pepper. So now that our chicken's reached the preferred temp of 155 Fahrenheit, we're going to flip it over onto the skin side, crisp it up for about 5 minutes before serving. So there we have our Chermoula chicken with coriander yogurt. Come and get your quarter chicken snack pack, guys.
حبة بحبة بحب